Okay, what is up to another software engineering concepts in Python right here on this channel and on this playlist. Today we are going to understand tear down versus tear down class methods in testing. So testing frameworks actually provide different methods for cleaning up after tests. So two commonly confused cleanup methods are the tear down method and also tear down class method, which serve distinct purposes in the testing life cycle. So this video actually explains the key differences, the easiest patterns, and also the best practices to actually help you write more maintainable test suites. So we want to look at the key differences over here. So tear down actually executes after each individual test method, but then tear down class actually runs once after all tests in the class complete. Okay, so with the tear down method, it was annotated with after in JUnit 4, but then with the tear down class, it was annotated with after class and must be static. Okay, so that of the tear down method resets the test environment for the next test, but then the tearDown class releases shared resources used by all tests. The tearDown method is perfect for cleaning up test-specific resources, but that of the tearDown class method is ideal for expensive cleanup operations. A clean example is a closing file handle, clearing test data, and resetting mock objects between tests under the tearDown method. And then an example of the tearDown class method is disconnecting from databases, shutting down servers, or removing temporary directories. So that's the two differences between the two. If you don't understand anything, please do post in the comment section and we will assist you. Let's move to the next video.